trying to adjust that. Okay. So let's do a couple more examples. So just kind of skipping through. Let's do this. If I say 17 minus 6i minus, put that in parentheses, minus 9 plus 10i. Remember, what's the first step we got to do? Yes. Yeah, we're going to distribute this negative 1 through the parentheses. So this becomes negative 9i minus 10i. And then over here, we've just got 17 minus 6i. Combine like terms, sort of, right? This right here is an imaginary number. This right here is an imaginary number. We got this bad boy over here that's a real number, and this one's a real number. We got numbers with i's and numbers without i's. So I'm going to say 17 minus 9 minus 6i minus 10i. 17 minus 9, what's that? Something. 8, good. What about negative 6i minus 10i? Negative 16i. Okay. We're going to do one more just for the fun of it. If I say 16 plus 17i plus negative 8 minus 12i, because of the plus sign, nothing really changes, right? So I could say 16 minus 8. So 16 minus 8, those are the real numbers. And then plus 17i plus, minus 12i. Those are the imaginary parts. 16 minus 8 is just 8. 17 minus 12 is a positive 5i. And that's the answer. Any questions on that?